How to get a soundboard on Roblox. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get a soundboard on Roblox. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. Now you will need to download a soundboard software. There are sound modes such as voice mode, EXP soundboard. Right now I'm just gonna search for voice mode. Here tap on this link. After that, click on download for free to download it to your device. Once downloaded, you will need to set up the soundboard. Open the soundboard application and add your sounds. Now this is optional, but you can also set up a virtual audio cable. After you have done this, then go back and open the Roblox application. Now make sure you are logged in to your account and go to the More section. On this tab, look for the section Settings and click on it. Now if you have set up the soundboard correctly, then an audio option will appear right here. Set the input device to the virtual audio cable or your soundboard output. Make sure to test the setup to ensure your soundboard plays correctly in Roblox. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.